Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Cici and today I am welcoming you to my first cooking video. Yay! I am so excited. Before we start, I do want to tell you that I hope that you're being kind to yourself and to others and that you're remembering to smile, because when you smile, it's contagious and it makes the world a better place. And I don't know, I just wanted to say that, and I wanted to show you my super cool shirt from Shein. It has a lot of succulents and I have a really cute succulent earring. I love them. Anyways, so that being said, welcome to my new cooking video. This is my first cooking video ever, and I am making braised short ribs with mashed potatoes and asparagus. It is so good. I recommend that you make it at home. My goal with this channel or with this cooking Saturdays with me is so that I can inspire you to try new things and to try kind of like difficult recipes or recipes that people just think are too difficult to make, and that's why they don't eat good food and they you know, they wait to go to like a restaurant or something to try it. And I am a firm believer that with a recipe you can do anything as long as you follow it. You know, it's gonna turn out great, and if it doesn't on the first try, you always have the second time, and the second time, you know, you'll do better because you already know what to do and what to watch out for. So that being said, I am going to be showing you how to make the braised short ribs. Yes, it is a little bit, you know, complicated maybe for some people who maybe are used to just making sandwiches at home or things like that. So it does require a little bit of preparation or prep, but that doesn't mean it's difficult. I got the recipe from Pinterest. I'm gonna be linking it down below so that you can go and, you know, get the recipe. And I am going to be adding, you know, what I'm doing in the video so that you can follow it. And I hope that you do get to try it at home, that you make it. And please, if you do, either send me a picture, send me a video, let me know how it turned out. And I do recommend also that maybe after the first time that you try it, you personalize it for yourself with maybe things that you like a little bit more, or maybe that you think that are missing. So it is recommended that you make it for yourself, because that way you enjoy, obviously, your meal better. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here. And if you have any recommendation at all, I am open to suggestions, and I will read your comments below. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.